Welcome to SubMagic AI. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove silence from video. So, just click on Try for free. Sign up with your Google account. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be on this screen right here. Here, you can drag or drop to upload your video. But one thing you need to know that you can upload just 2-minute long and under 200 MB video. Click here. Select video and press open to drop your video here. Click on upload button to upload your video. It takes some time for uploading. Also generate captions for your video. Now here, click on captions. And you can see auto cut button right here. Click on it. And just in a few seconds, it will automatically cut and remove all silence parts from your video. If you want to use SubMagic for free, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.